Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about why Power BI is a top choice among data visualization tools. Whether you're new to data analysis or an experienced professional, Power BI has something to offer you. Let's dive in. Now let's talk about integration. Power BI integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products like Excel, Azure, and SQL Server. This means if you're already using Microsoft tools, you can easily bring all your data together in Power BI. Next up, the user interface. Power BI has an intuitive and user-friendly interface. You can create complex visualizations with a simple drag and drop feature. It's designed to be easy for beginners while still powerful enough for advanced users. Power BI is also known for its robust data connectivity. It supports a wide range of data sources, both cloud-based and on-premises. This means you can import data from almost any platform effortlessly. One of the standout features of Power BI is real-time data access. Your data can be updated automatically, giving you the most current information for making timely business decisions. Power BI also comes with advanced analytics features. You can use AI-driven insights, natural language queries, and advanced data modeling to perform sophisticated analyses without needing to be a data scientist. Scalability is another important factor. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Power BI can scale to meet your needs, growing with your business. Power BI also benefits from a strong user community and extensive support resources. There are plenty of tutorials, forums, and official documentation available to help you get the most out of the tool. Finally, let's talk about cost. Power BI is relatively cost-effective, especially if you're already using other Microsoft products. This makes it an attractive option for many businesses. So, there you have it. Power BI stands out among data visualization tools for its integration, user-friendly interface, robust data connectivity, real-time access, advanced analytics, customization, scalability, strong community support, and cost-effectiveness. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Feel free to adjust the script according to your style and the specifics of your presentation.